Welcome to my new series Sunday Rice, where I'll be sharing a new rice recipe every week. We're gonna start things off with this easy Chinese chicken fried rice. You're gonna start by cooking your rice, preferably a day before because day-old rice works best. If you don't have day-old rice, just cook it a couple of hours before, let it cool down, then place in the fridge and let it cool for about 1 to 2 hours. Prep all the other ingredients by whisking the eggs. I'm also using chicken thighs for this recipe, so I'm going to season with just a pinch of salt and chicken bouillon cube. For the sauce, you will need soy sauce, oyster sauce, and Chinese cooking wine. Give everything a good mix, set aside. Heat up a large wok, add a little oil, and then add the chicken. Stir fry on high heat until the chicken is brown and cooked through. Take the chicken out, then add the eggs. Scramble the eggs until it's cooked through and set, then take it out and save for later. Return the pan to heat, add a bit more oil if you need to, then add the onions and minced garlic. Stir fry for about 1 to 2 minutes before adding the carrots and peas. Stir fry the veggies for a couple of minutes, season with a little chicken seasoning cubes and some chili flakes if you like heat. Now add the day-old rice, the cooked chicken, the egg, and the sauce. Give everything a really good mix until everything has come together. If you want to take your fried rice to another level, spread it across the wok like this, then let it sit undisturbed for about 1 minute. This is going to give the fried rice a really nice and toasty flavor. Continue stir frying for a couple of minutes before adding the scallions. If you like your fried rice spicy like I do, add some more chili flakes or chili oil. And just like that, in less than 15 minutes, your fried rice is ready.